Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you'd pet him. Oh. Oh. That's a goat, baby. Yeah. What? Daddy's blocking my view. What are you doing with your arm? Huh? What are you saying? Is that a bird? That guy's stuck. Look at that guy. He's stuck. You see him? Yeah, I think so too. Oh, that's so funny. Look. He's scratching his legs. Well, excuse us. That's funny. You like those birds, honey? Huh?